discuss the overview of fatty acid metabolism, showing the major pathways and end products. Let's start with triglycerol, or we call it the triglyceride. Now, in the triglyceride are the byproduct of fatty acid. So when your body digests fatty acid, your end products are triglyceride. They are stored in the adipose tissues as triglyceride. In this triglyceride, so breaking down of triacylglycerol, the breaking down of triacylglycerol, which is also called triglyceride, is called what? Lipolysis. So when you are breaking triglycerol, we call it lipolysis into fatty acid, we call it lipolysis. And building we are anabolizing, we call it esterification. So esterification of fatty acid to triglyceride is called esterification. Why catabolism of triglyceride to fatty acid, or triglycerol to fatty acid, is called lipolysis. Now, in fatty acids, converting fatty acid to acetyl-CoA. So the process of converting fatty acid to acetyl-CoA, we call that beta oxidation, and during this process we produce energy. Conversion of fatty acid to acetyl-CoA is what's called beta oxidation, and this process we are catabolizing, we are breaking that. Why building up, anabolizing, converting acetyl-CoA to fatty acid is what we call lipogenesis. So whenever you hear lipogenesis, we're talking about building up of fatty acid from acetyl-CoA. And when you take in carbohydrates and amino acid, in the presence of oxygen, we undergo glycolysis to produce pyruvate. From pyruvate, in the presence of oxygen, we can now convert it to acetyl-CoA. Now in acetyl-CoA, we can also form cholesterol. The process of formation of cholesterol is called cholesterol-genesis. Forming cholesterol is called cholesterol-genesis, and converting cholesterol to steroid is called steroidogenesis. And making of ketone bodies, which provide 20% of the energy needed by the brain, is called ketogenesis. Now, in the citric acid cycle, when the body have produced citric acid cycles, NADP positive converts to NADH. All this will now undergo, we now go into the electron transport chain to produce energy by pumping out hydrogen ion, creating diffusion gradient, which is used in energy production. So